In this project, we will build an interactive video game sales dashboard using Redash. The goal of this dashboard is to analyze global video game sales trend across different console genres, publisher and geographical market using SQL powered visualization. The main objective of this project is to transform raw video game sales data into meaningful business insight. We focus on identifying trends, top performer, and regional preferences using interactive dashboard in Redash. The dataset contains detailed information about video games, including platform, genre, publisher, and sales across different regions such as North America, Europe, Japan, and other markets. The dashboard consists of multiple visualization, each designed to answer a specific business question related to video game sales. The area chart represents the rise and fall of video game console over time. Each colored area represents a platform, allowing us to easily see when a console dominated the market and when its popularity declined. This pie chart highlights the top 10 game genres based on global sales. It helps us understand which type of game generates the most revenue worldwide. Here we analyze the top 25 publisher by global sales. This visualization clearly shows which publisher dominate the video game industry. This bar chart ranks the top 10 gaming console based on their total global sales. It provides a quick comparison of platform performance. This chart shows how different genres perform across various platforms. It helps us understand which genres are more popular on specific consoles. This tagged bar chart shows the portion of sales across different regions for the top 10 games. Normalizing value to percentage helps us compare regional preferences clearly. This chart displays the number of games available in each genre. It highlights which genre dominates the gaming industry in terms of production volume. The line chart tracks how different genre has evolved over time. It helps us to identify emerging genres and declining trends. This visualization compares total sales per genre across different markets. It allows to analyze regional preferences and global genre dominance. From this dashboard, we can clearly see how platform life cycles, genre popularity, and regional preferences shape the video game industry. This project demonstrates how Redash can be effectively used to build powerful interactive dashboard using SQL. It's a great example of applying data analytics to real world business scenarios.